I used Timel Twister on the bottom of my ticket. I know stepping up in class, but really has come on nicely of late. We'll see how that pans out. What's the point? Belvedere Franklin should have happened on the inside. In the center, Royal Candace, Lincoln's Landing to the outside, Century, Isaiah, Fastnet Rock, Timel Twister. It's a field of 8. It's race number 3. Field for the third is at the start in the rough end. Lincoln's Landing. Belvedere Franklin. Chip Happened is right now third. Century Isaiah, what's the point? Royal Candace, then Fastnet Rock and Timel Twister. Lincoln's Landing has landed the early lead and is in front by 3 1/4. Belvedere Franklin, Chip Happened, and what's the point? Then it is Royal Candace and Century Isaiah. Fastnet Rock, Timel Twister is trailing the field. Lincoln's Landing 6 to 5 on the board has the lead as they race their way, heading towards us off a quarter of 27 4. And Belvedere Franklin is right there racing along, position second. Then Chip Happened, and what's the point? Field is spread out. Royal Candace fifth in front of Century Isaiah. Then Timel Twister, off stride Fastnet Rock. 27 4/4, they head to the half. Lincoln's Landing is on fire right now. Lincoln's Landing and Steve Houdon. And then it is Belvedere Franklin and Phil Houdon. The Houdons have the top 2 positions as they race past the half in 57. Chip Happened to the outside is racing third. What's the point is fourth, and then Century Isaiah and Royal Candace and Timel Twister. But Lincoln's Landing continues on. Chip Happened is racing second and gets a little bit closer now. Is only 2 1/4 back of a half of 57. 3/4 was recorded by Lincoln's Landing at 126 1. Lincoln's Landing still looks sharp on the lead. In front a couple of lengths, Chip Happened. Belvedere Franklin weakens a little bit. What's the point? Century Isaiah, Timel Twister. Lincoln's Landing still has work to do because Chip Happened is closing now. Lincoln's Landing, Chip Happened. Lincoln's Landing digging in though. Lincoln's Landing, Chip Happened. Lincoln's Landing was strong enough to hold off Chip Happened, and then it was Century Isaiah. Timel Twister, fourth, 156 4. Lincoln's Landing. Well, we don't get to that 10 to 1 morning line, but 6 to 5, but it's a strong and
30 to 1, 11 to 1. This Super and Try should pay very well because prices everywhere underneath this one.
And Timel Twister gets on the board.
Yeah, gets on the bottom end of it fourth. Tough post this time. Gets acclimated to this level. Probably be better for it next time.
Back in front of us, number 5, Lincoln's Landing, 3-year-old Tactical Landing. Brown colt owned by Gino Toscani and Laura Toscani, the trainer. Steve Houdon's the winning driver. It is the second win this year in second lifetime. Lincoln's Landing, 156 4. Third race payouts 5 Lincoln's Landing, 440, 310, 330. 3 Chip Happened, $785. 6 Century Isaiah, $920. $2 Actor, $24.20. Dollar Try 100, $38.85. Dollar Super, $1,100, $14.30. 20-cent Supers, $222.86.